Hello, my name is Diana and I'm going to present the activity video presentation of family member. This is my son Camilo. He is 6 years old. Camilo is my second son. He is a happy, handsome, short, young, dark-skinned Colombian boy. Camilo loves playing video games and soccer. He reads slowly at school. He doesn't like horror movies. He's just not a big fan of spicy food. He loves spending time with his family. I adore my son. Camilo has a brother. His name is Nicolas. Camilo, Camilo's hobbies is coloring. Camilo also likes riding bicycles. Camilo likes to visit his grandparents. He is sleeping. He goes to bed early. Thank you very much.